Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you this nutrient dense juice recipe of mine that will take your skin and health to the next level. So if you're interested, stick around and I'll share with you the benefits at the end. So in order to come up with this very nutrient dense juice for utmost health, the first ingredient I use is apple. So I use 2 apples because they both have different very unique benefits. The red apple has a lot of antioxidant, the green apple has a lot of medicinal benefits. All of them are nutrient dense and very much healthy and needed for this recipe. So what you want to do is to get your 2 apples, make sure you clean them thoroughly before you use them. Apples are loaded with antioxidant, a little bit of all the vitamins and minerals you need for utmost health. Like apples are very alkalizing and doctors recommend it as well because it is very good at forming a disease fighting barrier in your system. Load your system up with nutrients for a very healthy life. Like an apple a day will keep you so healthy, and the colors of the apples will live in all those nutrients we need. That is why I'm using 2 different kinds of apples. As I told you, the red apple is loaded up with more antioxidant while the green is more medicinal. So I get all the benefits in my juice. So these are my apples. The next thing I'll be adding or fruit vegetable I'll be adding in here will be celery. So you want to make sure you clean it thoroughly. Celeries are very cleansing. When I talk of cleansing, they are very cleansing. They cleanse your pores, cleanse your skin for more clearer and beautiful skin. Your organs love them because they do a lot of good job cleansing your system from the inside. Like, they are very healthy. So I'll be using 3 stalks of celery. You want to wash them thoroughly, wash, slice up, and you're good to go. So these are 3 stalks of celery. Set them aside. The next thing I'll be adding in here for more antioxidants is orange. So oranges are highly loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants. Vitamin C helps you easily assimilate other ingredients, plus the antioxidants help to fight free radical damage effects causing sicknesses and fortify your system for utmost health. Like, vitamin C is very vital and you get a lot of it from orange. So this is 1 orange. You want to slice up into some good sizes that can get into your blender or your juicer, whatever you'll be using to come up with this juice for today. So this is it. It will freshen up your skin pores. Remember, if you want to have a beautiful clear skin, you want to freshen up your pores, these citrus fruits, they do just that for you. They cleanse you real good. So that is my 1 orange set aside. The next ingredient I'll be using in here will be lemon. Yes, all the good acids in lemons will help you flush bad acids in your system. Sodium, like, this is so cleansing and detoxifying. So plus very fat burning as well, to burn excess fat in your system and leave your system so healthy. Plus the little sugar you have in those other fruits, this lemon will help break down the sugar for you. So you want to make sure you add lemon in any fruit that is sweet. So that juice of the lemon, that acid, will help you easily break down the possible sugar in any other fruit. Fruits contain good sugars, but you want to burn all sugars faster. So the lemon will do just that for you. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So 1 lemon comes in here, plus it brings in a lot of vitamin C, more vitamin C and antioxidants as well we need for utmost health. So this is it. 1 lime. I'll be adding some 2 carrots. We need the beta carotene in here, the vitamin A for new cell regeneration, to protect our skin for beautiful skin tone. Like, carrots are very good. They cleanse your blood, cleanse your system from the inside, and you look so beautiful from the inside out. So that is 1 carrot. These are my ingredients. You can blend them up, but I want my juice is really concentrated. There are times, especially when I want a juice for a particular purpose, that I do like once every week or twice every week, like a juice like this. I really need it concentrated. That is why I got myself a juicer, so I can always just tend to it and have my concentrated juice. So you want to get a juicer for yourself, trust me, you will love it. You will not regret, because this will leave in all the nutrients into your system. And trust me, you want to immediately you make your juice, you want to drink everything at once. Drink everything at once, because juices don't last for long. As soon as you make the juice, like I'll just let's be done here before we get into that. So this is the fiber. You can add papaya here, half a papaya, and have it for your breakfast. Very filling, but this is almost zero calorie, because this is raw fish, but healthy raw fish. So this is my juice. You want to stir everything to get to one consistency, and you're good to go. So this is a tall glass of your health in a glass, and you want to drink everything all at once. Don't store up your juice, whether it is for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3. As soon as you make it, just drink it if you want to have all the benefits. Juices don't last for so long. Talk less of storing in your refrigerator, unless you're using it for fat burning. If it is a fat burning kind of juice, you can store in your refrigerator, because those acids will still be there. But for the nutrients, it will just help you for the fat burning. But a nutrient dense juice like this, you want to drink it immediately, so you don't destroy the benefits. Yeah, this is so healthy. As I mentioned earlier, it contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. All the vitamins, from vitamin A to E, everything you need for utmost health. Very cleansing, very detoxifying. From the celery, all the ingredients in here are carefully put together to leave your system so clean and healthy, plus clear, beautiful skin. It will cleanse your pores, cleanse your skin from the inside, and leave your skin looking so healthy and beautiful. Plus, this is so nutrient dense. You want to do this at least once or twice a month. Try to do this. If you can do it weekly, that is so wonderful. I love people who take care of themselves like me. I love taking care of myself, and I drink a lot of water as well. So you want to drink enough water. You, no matter this, having this juice for the cleanse, don't forget to drink your water. Water is the cheapest cleanse you can have in your home. Trust me. Poor people, or people who cannot afford juices or whatever, who cannot take their health or skin to the next level, they drink just their pure water. It is still helpful. It is still helpful. You're just drinking this juice to improve your health again, the more, fight more diseases, because we are more exposed. Remember, people who don't really have money, they don't have access to dangerous kinds of foods as well, because they can't afford those kinds of foods. So they stay healthy with the natural stuff they eat, but they don't get, like, that is a whole different topic. So anyways, you want to add water to everything you do in life. Water is the cheapest cleanse that everybody can afford. Don't fail to enjoy this free gift from God. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends, so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.